Once again, the summer is almost over. Time flies, doesn't it? As the end of the vacation season approaches, it's time to get ready for the upcoming academic year. Today, we'll share some tips and inspiration that is guaranteed to make your life easier. From gadgets and dorm room essentials to tips on how to make your student budget thrive. We have something for everyone, so make sure you stick around until the end. We'll start with tech. Every student knows a reliable laptop is essential. As a student, you don't need particularly impressive specs. Instead, focus on battery life and portability. A device you can use all day without being tied to a wall will definitely make your life easier. Just don't forget to check if your university has any minimum device specifications. Once you get that sorted, look for a decent pair of noise-canceling headphones. Choose something that fits your ears and budget. Remember, it's scientifically proven that lo-fi music boosts motivation, so it's important to make sure your studying sessions are as cozy as possible. Finally, all these and other devices you use will need power, so don't forget to add a good portable charger to your arsenal. There's nothing worse than realizing your phone, laptop, or any other device is out of battery when you need it the most. Go for something compact with enough juice for more than one charge. Now that digital realm is covered, let's talk about stationery and organization. Student life without a planner quickly gets messy. Deadlines, timetables, events, assignments, there's way too much stuff for you to rely on sticky notes or even worse, your memory. That's just a tragedy waiting to happen. A planner will definitely help you reach your full potential and stay on track. If you prefer to use your planner strictly for organization, consider investing in some notebooks too. Those who do a lot of note-taking, journaling, or brainstorming will appreciate it. Things don't have to be that serious though. You can turn it into a source of joy with some doodling. And last but not least, we have to talk about desk organizers. A messy desk makes it harder to focus, so these are important as anything else. You have plenty of options here: drop drawers, trays, drawers, shelves, and more. Go with something that fits your workspace and has enough compartments to help you control the chaos. We can't talk about controlling chaos without covering some dorm room essentials. Getting quality sleep is important for your health and academic success, so make sure your dorm bed is as comfy as possible. It's a good idea not to buy anything until you see your accommodation though. Once you know what you're working with, go crazy. Comforters, blankets, pillows. Treat yourself with bedding that will make your dorm room feel like home. Also, get 2 sets of sheets so you always have a clean pair available. Once you have your dream bed, it's time to consider lighting. Lamps are a true dorm must-have and allow you to avoid the big light during late-night study sessions. Whatever feels right to you is a fair option here. From classic lamps to string lights or even LED strips, don't hesitate to get creative. We just suggest going plastic instead of more fancy ceramic options. The reason is simple: they cost more and are far easier to break. And now it's time for the fun part: adding your personal touch. There are no rules here, so do whatever you think will create a welcoming space. Personal touches such as photos of your loved ones, favorite artwork, colorful tapestry, rugs, plants, a nice bulletin board, rocking chair for extra seating, the sky's the limit. And last but not least, we prepared some budget-friendly tips. We all know that the college experience can cost an arm and a leg. Fortunately, there's a lot you can do to reduce your financial stress without having to limit your spending too much. Check out the link in the description for our 10 essential student-friendly money-saving tips. More importantly, if your budget could use a boost, don't sleep on Pawns.app. It can help you earn money passively through internet sharing. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, check out our surveys, quests, challenges, and games. Finally, you can invite your classmates and earn together. Every person you invite gets a $3 bonus, and you get $3 along with 10% of their earnings whenever they make a withdrawal. All earning opportunities are designed to help you earn cash on the go, so it's the best student companion out there. You can put your earnings towards your essentials, textbooks, or even a cool night out with your friends. That's it for this one. With all your essentials covered and a financial boost from Pawns.app, you're set up for success. Download Pawns.app today and start earning while you study. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon for more upcoming tips. See you soon.